Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. In this question, this is a container. এই কন্টেনারে ওয়াটার আছে। এই ওয়াটারের মধ্যে একটা PQRS সিলিন্ডারটা ইমার্জ করা হয়েছে। এই সিলিন্ডারের লেন্থ হচ্ছে 1 মিটার। লিকুইডের ফ্রি সারফেস থেকে সিলিন্ডারের লোয়ার সারফেস পর্যন্ত হাইট হচ্ছে 1.5 মিটার। Area of surface PQ of the cylinder equal to 1.5 meter square. The water density equal to 1000 kg per meter cube. G equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Now question A. What is the downward force by the liquid on the upper surface of the cylinder? Question B. The upward resultant force is equal to the weight of the displaced water. Analyze it mathematically. Now solution of A. Given area of surface PQ of the cylinder A equal to 1.5 meter square. The density of water rho equal to 1000 kg per meter cube. Acceleration due to gravity G equal to 9.8 meter per second square. From figure, depth of PQ surface is equal to 1.5 meter minus 1 meter equal to 0.5 meter. Downward force on liquid on upper surface of cylinder F equal to H rho G equal to 1.5 into 0.5 into 1000 into 9.8 equal to 7350 Newton. Now solution of B. From stem, depth of upper surface of cylinder is one equal to 0.5 meter. depth of lower surface of cylinder is equal to 1.5 meter. Height of cylinder is equal to 1 meter. Now upward net force by water is equal to F2 minus F1. A is to rho g minus A is on rho g. A into H2 minus H on rho g equal to 1.5 into 1.5 minus 0.5 into 1000 into 9.8 equal to 1.5 into 1 into 1000 into 9.8 equal to 14700 Newton. Again, weight of displaced water by the body W equal to V rho G equal to H rho G. Since V equal to H, equal to 1.5 into 1 into 1000 into 9.8 equal to 14700 Newton. So F equal to W. So upward net force by water on the body is equal to weight of the displaced water by the body. Dear students, that's all from the chapter State of Matter and Pressure. Please read the basics from this chapter and practice the creative questions. Thank you for your participation.